Here's how to fix if your iPhone 16 is lagging. Now, if you got an iPhone 16, 16 Pro, or 16 Pro Max, but you find after you get it set up and everything, it's lagging and really slow, I'm going to show you how to speed it up. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the very first thing we'll do is head into your settings, tap on General here, and scroll to the bottom. Now you're just going to tap on the shutdown button. So just turn off your phone. A lot of times, basically, if your phone is lagging or glitching out and you want it to run faster, just by shutting everything down and restarting it, a lot of times this fixes any kind of bugs or glitches. Now, the next thing we can do is if this doesn't fix it, if your phone isn't running smoother and quicker, is we'll check a couple things. Let's go back here, tap on General and iPhone storage. Now on here, you're going to want to make sure that you have enough space to be able to run your iOS operating system. You can see here, if you have, let's say more than 500 megabytes available, you should be good to go. But if you have less than that, then at that point, you might want to essentially offload some apps or delete some big videos or something like that to free up some more space. Now, the next thing we will do is we will go back here and you can see background app refresh. Tap on that and tap at the very top. You might want to turn this feature off. This is a culprit that will drain your battery life and also cause your phone to lag and basically not be as responsive as it normally is because all of those apps are running in the background at the same time and just clogging up your phone and kind of slowing it down, bogging it down. Now, make sure this is turned off, and then let's go back here. Another thing I would recommend doing is scrolling up and tapping on software update. So on here, sometimes iOS updates will cause issues and not fix issues. But a lot of times, especially after they create new big iOS operating systems like iOS 18, if you upgrade to iOS 18.1, it fixes a lot of kind of bugs and glitches in that. So I would recommend the current build is iOS 18.1. Just update to that or whatever is the latest iOS operating system. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is going back, tapping on accessibility, and then you can see motion here. Sometimes turning on reduce motion will help speed everything up because the motion of kind of closing out of apps and that kind of animation where the app gets really small or typing and stuff like that, just by reducing motion and turning this feature on accessibility will help to just fix everything and make everything run smooth. Now, the last thing I would recommend doing is just closing out of apps if you have a ton of apps open. So just swipe up and to the right, and then just swipe up to close out of those apps and essentially close out of them, and your phone will just be running in the background, the kind of base version of iOS without any apps open, and then you should be good to go. If you're still finding that your phone is really lagging, then another potential culprit is in your photos. Once you basically upgrade to an iPhone 16 and iOS 18, it will analyze all the photos in your photos. And if you have thousands of them, sometimes this can bog everything down because it's kind of analyzing and indexing all your photos. And you might just need to plug it in and wait, say 12 hours, 24 hours for it to be done with all that stuff. And then it'll speed up after that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.